Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Croatian premiere of the Citroen C3 Aircross facelift. So I have the key here and today I'm going to show you this model in black color. So I already did first look video of the different spec, but I want to show you the more specs and more equipment such as the model in our video today. So on the front you have the new face, you have the different front bumper. It is more robust now, you can see it from this angle. You also have the new lights. LED lights are now standard, which is very nice to see. The front grille is massive and we have the chevrons that go all the way, and now this looks more similar to the other new Citroen models. And I quite like this spec. And speaking about the specs, there are actually 70 combinations available. So you have 7 colors, 3 of the colors are new. You also have the dual tone, so we have the option of a black roof or the white roof. You also have the color packs, which give you the elements such as those features there and the mirrors and the stickers on the C-pillar in different color. And overall, as I said, 70 combinations. So tell me in the comments what would be your spec. This is, let's say, a normal spec, so not too many colors, but I quite like it. You know that I'm a big fan of the black color. Now let's unlock it once again. You can turn on the lights by just pressing this on the key, and let me show you the side profile. So 4 meters and 16 centimeters is the length. And the wheels, they are new. We have the 16 and 17 inch wheels. These are the 16 inch actually, 205/60 R16, but they do look quite nice. And you also have the gloss black ones as well. Plastic wheel arches are here to make it more robust. This is the side profile, interesting design of the C-pillar. And let me show you the car from different angle. So here it is. So from the back, we have the new lighting signature, and well, at the back not that many changes actually compared to the predecessor. But tell me in the comments what are your thoughts on the design. So now you see that the C-pillar with this cool pattern. Let's open the trunk. So I need to unlock the car. And here you are greeted with either 410 or 520 liters. That depends on the rear bench. So you can adjust the rear bench and move it up and down by 150 millimeters. That means either you want more, trunk space or more room inside. So that's quite cool and quite useful. You also have the dual floor, so you can put some things down there as well. And now I need to do this. And well, yeah, the dual floor also pretty practical. And now let's check out the interior of this car and let's see what's new inside. So once again, unlock the car and let's see it from inside. So here we have the new touchscreen. This is a 9-inch touchscreen. This car has the automatic transmission. And the seats, well, these are the standard ones, but you can also get the advanced comfort seats with special foam, and they are so comfortable. So I would recommend you to go for those. And now let's see it from driver's perspective. All right, this is the view. So let's just give contact. And now you see it in front of us, still analog cluster. And here you have the new touchscreen, 9-inch one. Cool air vents. I always loved the design of those. Some cool features such as the storage room throughout the whole car, and here as well. This is where you can see which gear you're in. So with this automatic transmission, USB port, 12-volt power outlet, and 2 cup holders. Gloss black finish here, not sure about that. And the classic handbrake. This is also new. Storage compartment, and it's easy to access it from the driver and passenger seat, but also from the back as well. And yeah, well, with touching the screen with 3 fingers goes into this main menu. And now I've changed it to English, so let's go to navigation and see it here. Go back. Vehicle settings. This car has up to 12 driver assist and safety features. On this one we have the active safety brake, driver attention warning and speed recommendation, and the AC controls can be configured here on the screen. Not a huge fan of that, but it is what it is. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. And that's pretty much it. So the layout is a bit different here with the automatic version, and also we have the button to start the engine, where on the base one you would get the classic key. And now let's check it out at the back. So let's step inside and see this. This is actually quite decent. I'm 1.87 meters, and yeah, well, I can just fit in. And now you see that it's so easy to access this storage compartment. This is the view on the front, and let me show you how much space I have for my head. Okay, so this is the situation. I still have some room, but the cool thing is that you can lean back a bit more. So you just have the hook here, do this, and now we have even more room, which is quite impressive. I also need to mention that this whole seat can be adjusted by 150 millimeters, so whether you want more room here or at the back. Speaking about the engines, there are various petrol and diesel engines available. You can pair them with either manual transmission or the automatic one like you see here in the video. So the petrol ones 110 or 130, and diesels 110 and 120 horsepower. The prices will be in the description, so check them out. Do subscribe to the channel in order to see more car reviews, and also probably for the upcoming point of view drive of this car. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and thanks to Citroen for inviting me here at the Croatian premiere of this facelifted C3 Aircross. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.